In this lesson, you'll learn how to activate upfront payments and set up rules for payments when clients make an online booking. First, log into your Smart System console and click on the Book Me Settings tile. If you have multiple sites, select a site. Then select Upfront Payment Settings. Read the terms and conditions and ensure that your details have been entered into the relevant fields. Then tick this box and press Accept to agree to the terms and conditions. Click on Edit General Settings. Enter the email address for your PayPal account. Make sure that this is a business PayPal account, not a personal account. If you don't already have a business PayPal account, you'll need to set this up via the PayPal website. Then tick this box to activate upfront payments. A generic upfront payment policy has been added for you by default. This is the policy your clients will see when they make an upfront payment. Make any necessary changes to reflect your business policies and procedures and ensure that the policy adheres to any regional legislation. If you have multiple languages set up for online booking, you can use the drop-down list to edit your policy for a different language. Press Save to save your changes. The next step is to set up your upfront payment rules. The rules that you set up determine how much the client will be charged when they make an online booking. For example, you may wish to create a rule for a 20% deposit on all online bookings. You can also set up more specific rules depending on the services, employees, and how close to the appointment the booking is made. To create a rule, select Add New Rule. The name of the rule should briefly describe what the rule does. If you only want to apply the rule to bookings made a specific number of days in advance, you can add the number of days here. However, if you want the rule to apply to all bookings, set this number to 0. You can request upfront payment for a percentage of the value of the booking, a set amount, or both. If you add both, the client will be charged whichever has the higher value of the two. Tick this box to apply the rule to bookings made through BookMe, and tick this box if you want to apply the rule to My Local Salon bookings. Press Save to save your changes. If you only want to apply the rule when certain employees are selected, click the Select Employees button and tick the relevant employees. If you don't select any employees, the rule will apply to all employees by default. Press Save to save your changes. If you only want to apply the rule to bookings for specific services, click the Select Services button. If you don't select any services, the rule will apply to all services by default. Tick the relevant services or service categories to make your selection. Then press Save. You can always make changes to a rule by selecting the Edit options. If you have more than one rule, select the priority for each of your rules. To move a rule up the priority list, click Move Up. If multiple rules apply to a certain booking, the rule with the highest priority will be applied. If you wish to copy these settings to another site, click Copy Settings. Choose the site you wish to copy settings from. Then select which applications you want to copy settings for. Choose whether you want to apply the rules to the same services defined in the original site rules, or apply the rules to all services. Tick this box if you also want to copy gallery images from the source site. Note that these will override any existing gallery images. Select the sites you wish to copy to. Then press Copy Settings. Now that you know how to set up upfront payments, you'll be able to receive upfront payments from your online bookings.